Question 3 on the handout asks how you would distinguish allele A from wild type. Allele A is this point mutation here, and the first two methods that we looked at, the Southern blot and the PCR, fail to distinguish the allele A from wild type because it doesn't result in any length differences that you can see on a gel. Later on in the class we'll look at some other methods that we can do this, but one we've talked about already is the one that's almost too simple, which is just to sequence the area. So the short answer is sequencing, but in order to do sequencing you need to have a sequencing primer, so let's just talk for a second about where that primer would be. First of all, it's important to remember that for sequencing you're just going to have one primer as opposed to PCR where you have both a forward and a reverse primer. In sequencing, you are going to have a sequencing primer that is going to point toward your region of interest, and there's no reason to make it, especially far away from that point mutation, so you just would want that to be close by to the point mutation that you're interested in amplifying.